What's up, guys? Ryan with the MXG channel. We're here at Crow Canyon Track and Trail in Northern Ohio for the annual turkey run. I can't say enough about this event. It's pretty awesome. I've been coming here like 4 or 5 years in a row now. Yamaha's always here. KTM's always here. Sherco's been here in the past. WP's been here in the past. And let me tell you, it's big every year, but I've never seen it this big. We stood in line to sign up for an hour. I watched guys drive around looking for parking for over an hour. This gives me hope for the moto community, because a lot of the events this year have started to trickle down. The entries have started to trickle down towards the end of the year. Gas prices hit really hard in May and June, and I was starting to get worried. We still don't know what the economy is going to do here in the next few months or years, but let me just tell you, there are a ton of people out here at Crow Canyon that are enthusiasts. There's side-by-sides, quads, old bikes, new bikes. It's crazy. There's bikes getting towed out. I've seen several bikes towed out. Definitely want to thank Yamaha for coming out here every year and doing their demos. Want to thank KTM for coming out and doing their demos. Really bummed that KTM didn't bring their motocross bikes. It's getting really tough to find a KTM motocross demo. And when you do find one, they have to shut the whole track down, won't let any other bikes on the track. I understand there's a lot of liability in this sport, but man, it's getting tough. I also noticed that they're both getting stingier with their demo rides. It used to be 4 Yamahas, and it used to be 5 KTMs, 4 in a bonus. Now it's 3 in a bonus, 3 Yamahas. I understand there's only so much time, but if you've already spent the expense to bring the trailer here and bring the guys here, you know, let the people ride the bikes. You're only going to sell more bikes. This place is wild. I wanted to come here and ride the TBIs again, and I did. And I cemented the current TPI, transfer port injection 300 XCW, as my favorite trail bike right now. Which I'll tell you more about that in the videos. But Mason's out there on the YZ250 on the trails right now on his last demo ride. And then we're gonna be headed out of here today. But this place is nuts. I would, if I would give them one piece of advice, I'd say that they need to take the month of October, and instead of doing this turkey run where you have the public in here and the demos, you should have a weekend for just the demos, and then a weekend for the public to come in and camp and do what they do, because there's just not enough room and there's way too much going on. But regardless, we are super thankful for Crow Canyon, for KTM, and for Yamaha for putting the effort into this event. And I'll see you guys in the next video.